Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove Google account on Redmi 13c device. Well, just get to the point. First thing first, please open settings menu. Okay, after that scroll down here. And then now please select Google option. Well, and then here you can click side row. And then you can select manage account on this device. Okay, and then in this section you can choose Google option. And then please select any account you want to remove from your device. Well, after that click more and then you can select remove account here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to remove Google account on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.